All right, home cooks, buckle up. Today, we're diving into a hot debate that has been simmering in kitchens for years. Should you get an OTG or a microwave oven? Both have their unique strengths and can be game changers in your culinary adventures. Let's dive right in and explore what each has to offer. First up, the OTG or oven toaster grill. This versatile appliance is a favorite among baking enthusiasts and grill masters alike. This little marvel is your go-to for baking, toasting, and grilling. It's like having a mini bakery and grill station right on your countertop. Want to bake a cake or a crispy pizza? The OTG's got your back. It excels at creating that perfect crust and texture that we all crave. It uses traditional heating elements, so it takes a bit longer to heat up, but the results? Oh, they're worth it. The slow and steady heat ensures even cooking and browning. Think golden brown cookies and perfectly roasted veggies. The OTG brings out the best flavors and textures in your food. But hey, let's not count out the microwave oven just yet. This modern marvel is all about speed and convenience. This kitchen staple is all about convenience. It's perfect for those who are always on the go and need their meals ready in a flash. Need to reheat leftovers or defrost frozen food? Boom, done in minutes. The microwave's efficiency is unmatched when it comes to quick fixes. And modern microwaves come with convection settings, allowing you to bake and roast too. This feature expands its versatility, making it more than just a reheating machine. Imagine whipping up a quick muffin or roasting a chicken without breaking a sweat. The microwave's convection feature makes it possible. Speed is the microwave's middle name. It's designed to get things done fast, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Now let's talk pros and cons. OTG Pros 1. Perfect for traditional baking and grilling. If you love the art of baking and grilling, the OTG is a must-have. 1. Offers a larger cooking area for more significant batches. You can cook multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for family gatherings and parties. 1. Provides that authentic, crispy finish. The OTG's heating elements ensure your food has that perfect crunch. OTG Cons 1. Takes longer to preheat and cook. Patience is key when using an OTG, but the results are worth the wait. 1. Doesn't reheat food as evenly as a microwave. It's not the best choice for quick reheating tasks. Microwave Oven Pros 1. Super quick and efficient. The microwave is a time saver, perfect for busy lifestyles. 1. Great for reheating and defrosting. It's the go-to appliance for quick meal prep. 1. Convection feature expands its versatility. You can bake, roast, and even grill with the right settings. Microwave Oven Cons 1. Can't match the OTG's grilling and toasting prowess. The OTG still reigns supreme in this department. 1. Sometimes struggles with even baking. The microwave's quick cooking can sometimes lead to uneven results. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your cooking style and needs. If you're into baking and grilling, the OTG is your best friend. It's perfect for those who love to experiment with different recipes and techniques. But if you need something fast and versatile, the microwave oven is the way to go. It's ideal for quick meals and everyday use. Or, why not both? I hope this showdown helps you make the right choice for your kitchen. Whether you choose an OTG, a microwave, or both, happy cooking. Hit that like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more cooking tips and tricks. And for interior design consultation and realistic 3D models and renders, contact i4interio Design Studio. Happy cooking, folks!